Hi, and welcome back to the Offline Show. It's good to see you again. And today, I want to show you a fantastic 4-bedroom townhouse in Emaar South. The cluster is Parkside 2. It's a fantastic community. But just before I begin, I want to talk a little bit about Emaar South, why I think it's a phenomenal community. First of all, Emaar South is strategically located about 8 minutes away from the international airport, which is the new Maktoum International Airport. It's going to be the biggest airport in the world. And we all know that communities or properties which are right next to mega structures such as an international airport usually have high capital appreciation. And it's not just that. Emaar South is also very close to the new Palm Jebel Ali, right about 20 minutes away. You know what that means? Since the new Palm Jebel Ali is a fantastic project, that means this area is going to rapidly develop as well. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go inside this property, the 4-bedroom townhouse, and we're going to have a tour, okay? So it's a 4-bedroom townhouse with the maids, which is ensuite. It's about 2,800 square feet, okay? And the selling price is right about 2.5 million. So without wasting any time, stick around and let's see the property, all right? Follow me. Great, so as you can see, the community streets look clean and neat. So that means it's going to be a fantastic community for your family and kids. So as soon as you come through from the main entrance, this is going to be your parking. And it's big enough to fit 4 cars. So you've got one parking spot right here. You can easily park another car right there. Another car comes here, and a smaller car can park right here. What's fantastic about this property is that it's a corner unit. So there's nothing here. That means you have this huge garden that you can do whatever you want to do with, all right? The property also comes with a backyard, but we'll see that as soon as we see the inside of the property. So without wasting any time, follow me and let's see what's inside, all right? Okay, fantastic. So we're inside the property. As I mentioned before, this is a 4-bedroom townhouse. So we're on the ground floor and we have 1 floor up. On the ground floor, what do we have? We'll first begin with the maid's room. So we have a rather small maid's room, but what's great about this property is that it's ensuite. So the maid's room has its own toilet, all right? And its own bathroom as well. So that's pretty good. So we can have 1 small bed right here and a little bit of a space here and the bathroom as well, okay? And here we'll have the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom is spacious enough. We have 1 shower right here and the toilet seat right there. The shower looks spacious enough, so to me, I think it's a pretty good space. And the sink there, of course. So moving on this way, we'll first begin with bedroom number 1. So this here is the first bedroom, okay? As soon as I enter inside the first bedroom, which is phenomenal. To me, I like the all white going on here. I like the color. I predominantly like living in places that are clean and all white. But as soon as you enter the room, what strikes you first is this huge top to bottom window, okay? And the window doesn't open all the way, but it's good enough to let in some fresh air. So we'll proceed to the living room. Now, we're now inside the living room, okay? So the living room is spacious enough, I would say. And what's fantastic and exciting about this living room is that it's an open plan kitchen, right? I'm not the biggest fan for open plan kitchen, but this is the new trend right now and people seem to love it. A lot of people such as yourself might enjoy an open plan kitchen, but that's not the only thing that's going on here. We've got these 2 huge doors with top to bottom glass panels, okay? So this opens straight to the backyard. So you can easily go inside to the backyard from here. And this exit as well going to the backyard. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go upstairs and see the remaining 3 bedrooms. All right. And the balcony as well. So come with me. Okay, so we're going up the flight of stairs. Yeah. So up here we're going to see the main bedroom and the other 2 bedrooms as well. So as soon as you arrive on the first floor, we'll have the master bedroom this side. We'll have the 2nd bedroom right here, the 3rd bedroom right there, and the exit to the balcony. Let's begin with the master bedroom. Great, so this is the master bedroom. What I love about the master bedroom is that there's a lot of natural sunlight coming in. And I am a big fan of natural sunlight, even where I stay. I just love positioning my bed right next to the window where a lot of natural sunlight comes in. So here, we'll have your closets right here. You got your closet spaces here. And then you got your bedroom, the bathroom right here. Okay, it's a standing shower, a walk-in shower rather. And you got the toilet and the mirrors here and whatnot. This here is the balcony, of course. I won't open it. We'll see it later on with the footages. I'll put that in the rolls. And then this is the common bathroom upstairs. Okay, it comes with its own bathtub, as you can see. And moving on this way, we'll see here the washroom where you store your laundry and whatnot, and the washing machine. All right, this will be the balcony, but right before we get to the balcony, let's check out the 2nd bedroom. Okay, now this bedroom is spacious enough. It has, of course, the exit to the balcony, which is fantastic. You've got that beautiful view, and we also have these closet spaces here. So there's a lot of spaces for your kids if you do have kids or teenagers. Okay. Also, I did forget to mention that the view from the master bedroom is quite serene and quiet, and I like it. Yeah. So this is the view from the master bedroom. Again, this is a 4-bedroom townhouse in Emaar South. The cluster is Parkside 2. It's about 2,800 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom plus maids. And the selling price is 2.5 million. If you find this absolutely fantastic and you think that this could be a perfect fit for your family, please get in touch as soon as possible, because the community and the area itself seems very promising. And I think that you could be able to get high capital appreciation in this area. Just before we end the video, let's go downstairs and take a look at the garden as I promised. I said that we'll keep that for last. And without wasting time, let's check that garden. This is the garden, of course, and the backyard. What you got here is a tap that provides you water. And this is just sand, and you can customize this to whatever you want. You can either put a garden here, put a pool, or whatever that you want to do for the kids. It's all up to you. And this is more or less like an L shape. So it goes all the way and connects to the other side and meets the driveway. So you've got this little exit here that goes to the inside of the community. So you can exit from here. And you have another one straight ahead right here. So this exit goes directly to the parking, and you can be able to meet with your car and drive off. So this property is fantastic. It offers a lot of things here. All right. And that's all that we had for today. I hope you enjoyed the show. This is a fantastic property. If you feel like you want to acquire this property, always give us a call for any property for that mark. Thank you very much, and see you in the next episode.